modifying the appearance of the plotted curve. If you want to control the appearance of the plotted curves, Excel has been designed to have you choose a layout, as we've chosen here, we've chosen layout 1, and a style. There are several chart styles we can choose from. Let's pick that one, style 5. And that's it. Sometimes that's adequate, but most often you're going to need more control over the appearance of the plotted data. So here's how we do that. We first need to select the curve. In this case we only have one curve, but we could have more than one, which we will later on. If you left click on the curve itself one time, it selects the curve. Just be careful, because if you double click, you'll select one specific point, then any changes you make will just be for that point, which sometimes is helpful if you want to highlight a specific part of the graph. For this case, we're going to select all the points. Just left click one time on the curve. We need to go ahead and go to the Chart Tools, Layout tab, and Format Selection. This brings up the Format Data Series window. You can see all of our options here, and we're going to work down through each one of these so we can see what they will do. The first one is a series option. You choose to plot the series on the primary left or the secondary, in other words on the right, the y-axis. But this only is an option if you have more than one curve. So in this case it's grayed out. Marker options. Right now it's on automatic, but we can choose built-in, and we can change the type of markers, from the shapes to their size. The fill. We can choose no fill, where it just gives the outline, solid fill, and we can change the colors, gradient fill. We can even insert pictures instead of the data points. We can use patterns, or we can make it automatic. The line color. We also have choices there. No line, a solid line, and we can change the color of the line as we want. And we can even make it transparent or not. Alright? The line style. We can change the width. We can change the type of line. We can make dashes, so forth and so on. We can even use arrows. The options are endless. Marker line color, marker line style. We can even add a shadow and a 3D format if we would like. All these are under the Format Data Series dialog box, which we'll get by selecting the data series, Layout tab, Current Selection Group, and Format Selection.